Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel, where today I want to be talking to you guys about a platform called DCodex and show you what it's all about at a higher level. Now, this isn't a deep dive into charts or performance or etc. It's more about understanding the role DCodex is trying to play in the broader crypto and blockchain space and why I wanted to come over here and share it with you guys. And one of the biggest challenges in this industry, as we all know, isn't a lack of information, it's the opposite. There's too much of it. New projects, protocols, updates, narratives, and opinions appear consistently and constantly, spread across websites and social media and technical documentation and so on. And for a lot of people, that makes it harder to understand what's actually going on and not easier. Now, DCodex positions itself as a platform that's built to bring structure to that chaos. Now, instead of jumping between dozens of tabs or trying to piece together context from scattered sources, the idea is to have a single place where information is organized, contextualized, and easier to explore. It's designed to help users understand ecosystems, projects, and concepts without needing to already be deeply embedded in crypto culture. What stands out is that DCodex isn't framed as a prediction engine or a shortcut to decisions. It's more like a reference layer. It's a place to learn, compare, and build understanding. And the focus is on presenting information clearly rather than telling users what conclusions to draw from it. That makes it far more useful for people who want to take their time, ask their own questions, and form their own views and opinions. Now, the platform's layouts reflect that philosophy. Instead of overwhelming users with dense visuals or constant alerts, the emphasis is on readability and structure, making it super simple. You can explore different parts of the ecosystem at your own pace, whether you're just getting familiar with blockchain concepts or already having experiences and want a clearer overview of how things actually connect. Now, DCodex also extends beyond the website itself, meaning that through its presence on social platforms, it shares updates, commentary, and educational content that reflect how the platform is evolving and how it interprets broader developments in the entire space. So it feels less like marketing and more like ongoing documentation of how the ecosystem itself is changing and keeps you informed at the same time. So overall, DCodex comes across as a tool for people who value clarity over noise. If you prefer understanding over hype and context over constant reactions, this is definitely the kind of platform that's meant to support that approach. It doesn't replace doing your own research, obviously, but it can make that process far more organized and less fragmented. So, if you're curious about seeing how it works in practice, you can definitely explore the platform directly at DCodex.io. Now, in addition to research and ecosystem mapping, DCodex has also developed an MEV system called CME. Basically, it's an arbitrage-focused strategy designed for decentralized finance that operates at the infrastructure level, reflecting how the team engages directly with on-chain mechanics rather than just observing them. It also adds practical context to the platform, shows how insights are informed by real participation in decentralized systems rather than theory alone. So make sure to keep that in mind as well. And if you want to keep up with their updates and thoughts, definitely make sure to know that you can also find them on X at DCodex official, and I'll leave all that in the link down below. And having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.